Welcome back to Explore Travel TV. My name is David L. Peters, and this is another episode of Explore Vegas. I am actually here at the Paris Hotel again. Friends coming into town, or came into town, and they're staying at the Paris Hotel, and I wanted to show you guys the room here. It's a different room than the last time. I did a little post right over here for the Queen Suite. This one is the regular standard room, so if you want to get a chance to see what that may look like with a great view. And you know, so if you guys like travel stuff, like tips and tricks and travel vlogs and product reviews and Vegas, exploring Vegas, please hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when I upload more videos. And hit the like button if you can. You guys, I do have my Las Vegas mask. Face masks. Masks are still required here in Las Vegas when you're inside the casinos and so forth. So please wear your mask. I'm going to leave the link to this down below so you can check it out. So let's go take a look at, I'm going to explore inside the casino a little bit more this time than I did last time. Last time was just the room. So we got the room plus a few little things to look at while I'm inside. And let's go explore the Paris Hotel in Las Vegas. Hey, that's it for me and the Paris Hotel in Las Vegas. Thank you so much if you stuck around to watch the whole thing. I do appreciate it very much. Please give me the thumbs up if you like this kind of video and hit the subscribe button, all that stuff. So until next time, we will see you guys later. And hey, travel more. Well, no, wait, what is it? Life is short, so travel more, and we can. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.